Welcome to Advanced Vedic Mathematics course, Panini Ashtadhayayi Sthapatya. In this lesson 27, we shall be focusing upon Purush Prakriti Yog. Formulation: Purush is of TC value 24, Prakriti 18, and Yog 12, together 30 and 24. One shall make entry of these formulations in one's TCV dictionary and then see to reach at its sthapatya. We shall go back to the 8 directional frame manifested within creator's space with the entry of the transcendental content through the eastern cosmic window. This manifestation is going to be of values as these are, and these values as these will help us appreciate that value 24 is south, value 30 is northeast. This value as dakshin and here as agenkon deserve to be properly entered, properly mentioned, properly elaborated in one's TCV dictionary. Now, this coordination means south and northeast, 24 and 30, together as 54. This is 27 and 27. It is going to be Surya Nakshatra, and these are going to be Chandra Nakshatra. It is this organization of constellation of stars with Sun, a 6-space body as dimension, taking us to 9 space as an origin, and of value 30 is going to be H8, and it is going to be Prakriti Yoga. It is this feature which deserves to be comprehended well, and same deserves to be entered properly in one's TCV dictionary as well as in Sthapatya. So, Purush Dakshin and Agenkon (30) as Prakriti Le, Prakriti Yoga. So this is Purush Prakriti Yoga, which is a basic phenomenon which deserves to be comprehended well by the sadhakas. Sadhakas shall sit comfortably and permit the mind to see that Triloki as Purush is having Prakriti Le. This is Trimurti. So Triloki and Trimurti, Purush and Prakriti Yoga, Dakshin and Agenkon or the quadruple features along O, sole syllable O, 4/4 along a square as a synthetic setup of quadruple quarter squares where we are having 4, 4 and 4 for 3/4, fourth remains unmanifest. And this way our exercise shall be that we shall have a complete coordination for 24 reduction with 42, which makes it a reflection pair image, with 21, which makes it 3 into 7 and 4 into 6. This is 3 into 8, one more than. Then with 30, it is 4 into 6 and it is 5 into 6. With 16, it makes 2 into 8 with 3 into 8. With 34, see, 34 takes us to a phenomenon. This is 34. It is H9 and it is, D8. So this way, one more than. Then with 22, 22 is 2 into 11, while 24 is 2 into 12. One more. Then 33. So 33 and 24. It is 3 into 11 and it is 3 into 8. Here it is Asht and its TC value is 11. One shall sit comfortably and permit the transcending mind to have this eightfold relationship, and it is this relationship which is to be appreciated as Eka Adhikain Purvain, one more than before. Ganita Sutra 1. How this Eka Adhikain Purvain gives us the complete relationships for a Purusha, a 8-space content with all other values. And then likewise we may have a relationship for the other directional corners values. See, when we are having a relationship for value 24 with 42, with 21, 30, 16, 34, 22, and 33. Likewise, we can have this relationship for value 30 with 33 as 3 into 10 and 3 into 11. Then we can have it with 16. It is, 16 and 30. It is 16 plus 14. 14 is the dimension of this. Then 30 and 34 with 22, 24, 42, and 21. It's a very good exercise to have this relationship. And likewise, we can have for all other values with another setup for 16. We can have with 30, 33, then with 24, 21, 42, 33, and 22. It will be really a very, very blissful exercise to have these relationships in terms of the sutras Ekadike Purve, the first Ganita Sutra, as well as the source of Sutra Anurupen. If we can have proper appreciation of this symmetry and progression rules, and if we apply them together, if we avail them together, then we can have the relationship of each of these 8 values with another set of 7 values. So these 56 relationships as 28 plus 28 and 28 as summation value from 1 to 7 and 1 to 28 leading to factors 1 to 56. One shall sit comfortably and permit the transcending mind to be parallel with these features. These are the features which will ultimately help us appreciate as to how the Purush 24, Prakriti 18, and Yoga 12 are related to each other. Veda as a Vrit, when it's taken to 24, 18, and 16. So see, here is multiplier is 2, and here the multiplier is 1.5. So it is this feature when we reach from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and 4. So it is here we will be having 1.5, and it is here we will be having a multiplier 2. Therefore, here as well we are having multiplier 2. So reaching from 1, 2, and 3 with the help of multipliers 2 and 1.5, and also a reach from 2, 3, and 4 with the help of multiplier 2 and multiplier 1.5. So it is this orientation which will help us appreciate that if we are at Brahm 28, it will sequentially take us on its both folds. And if we start from here, 24, 25, 26, 27, and then 29, 30, 31, 32. If we are having these, then see here it is hypercube 26 and here is hypercube 31. However, if it is in the reverse orientation, so the minus 28 with having a reach to minus 24 means it is a progression, a positive progression. Here it is a negative progression. Here it is a positive progression. And in the reverse as well here, minus 29, minus 30, minus 31, and minus 32. If we have these 4 features and we appreciate that minus 24, minus 25, minus 26, minus 27, here is leading us to hypercube minus 25. But if we are at 24, 25, 26, and 27, then it is leading to hypercube 26. It is this feature that in one orientation and in another orientation, it is going to be this distinctiveness. It is this feature which will further help us appreciate that if we are a positive orientation and a negative orientation, the difference value between domain and dimension is of 2. It is this distinctiveness which will take us to hypercube 2. It will also take us to value 6. It will take us to value h. It is taking us to first perfect number. So reach from first perfect number to second perfect number and step ahead to third perfect number will make a system. It is this system which is a Vedic system. It is Vedic order. So first perfect number to second perfect number simply means from Surya, sun, to Brahm, and ahead it is going to be from Brahm to a Garud, a carrier of Vishnu. So Surya, Brahm and Garud are the features, are the formulations, are the system, are the format, are the organizations. Is a speaking mathematics. It is technology. It has a complete science in it. Sadhakas fulfilled with intensity of urge to be parallel with Vedic systems shall sit comfortably and permit the transcending mind to be parallel with Purush Prakriti Yoga. It is this Purush Prakriti Yoga with whose comprehension and imbibing we will be reaching at how a lok is taking us to. From lok we can reach at Ved 14 and 20, gap value of 6, and also simultaneously how we can reach at Ved lok. So lok Ved and Ved lok. Lok Ved and Ved lok. So it is reaching from 20 to 14 is one orientation, reaching from 14 to 20 is another orientation. So this pair of orientations, when are giving us a unified method or a system, and it is for a spatial dimension or for value 6 or for a Surya, and it will be a Purusha. So it is a Purusha Prakriti Yoga which is to be learned, which is to be followed, which is to be obeyed, which is to be worked out. It is this working out of Purush Prakriti Yoga which will help us appreciate as to how Panini Ashtadhayayi, with first sutra to its last sutra, and from last sutra to its first sutra, within Maheshwar format, making it a 4000 format, making it 4 into 1.